off to pick up some pumpkins because I'm making my own pumpkin patch at my house on a budget. So these are the 450s. 450s. I think those will be 450s as well. Huh? This one looks really big, so I think we're gonna get the big ones. Big ones. The pumpkins.
Hello. Okay. Wait, that's good. Hello.
We're gonna get 6.
6?
They got pumpkin pie M&Ms. That is wild.
Almost.
Shriekers, and it says some are sour, some are
This sour?
sweet, but it says so some are sour, they will make you shriek. So 4 pumpkins, and we're at $16.75. If we went to a pumpkin patch, it would have been $18 times 4. So all this was $30, and we got 6 pumpkins, $31, 6 pumpkins. It would have been cheaper if we didn't get the damn candy, but we got the candy because Princess Peach says she wants candy. All ready to come home. Okay, just for like 10 more minutes. I was not wondering. You guys have the square bell hay? How much it goes for?
Just the coastal?
Huh?
Coastal round?
Yeah.
Square bell is
Yeah.
$14.
14? Okay, can I get one of those? Whew. Can we move up a little bit? Okay. All right, I just got the square bell hay, and it smells super sweet. How much is that? 14 plus 30. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's about $47. That's not bad. $47 for my mini little pumpkin patch. Really, Linda? A little disappointment. You probably don't see me right now. I'm gonna wait until I get closer into the thing, but a little disappointment. I put the pumpkins outside and I let my chickens out thinking it was gonna be cute, but my chickens started literally pecking my pumpkins. and literally they got through like 2 already. And I'm like, I might as well just keep them in a coop and let them out Friday or something like that, because I want to put these out there to make it a little bit more festive. And I'm so dumb, so I'm like, bro, I could have just, wonder if I give them a pumpkin and they'll leave my shit alone. I don't know, we'll figure it out. Hi, future me here. And also what I'm learning is that homesteading isn't always cute. Homesteading is literally what it is. Your chickens will peck at every crop you have. Even if I had my garden bed in where they are, they're gonna eat my crops, peck out my crops. And it just is what it is. What it is that I'm learning a little bit of country and city don't always mix. And it's always aesthetically pleasing, but let's be real. Is it real life pleasing? It's like balancing. You want aesthetically pleasing, but also you want real life. Sometimes real life happens, and sometimes you can get aesthetically pleasing. I hope you understand what I'm saying. That I'm learning that not everything that's aesthetically pleasing is how you say it, real life. Hopefully I can do what I gotta do with these pumpkins. I don't know. I wanted to do like a really cute content setup for Friday, but I think I'm gonna just have to do everything today and call it a loss. I don't know. Like, I really wanted to do like fun, like a cute setup. But, you know, I have plenty of time on my hands to do what I gotta do and just enjoy it. I feel like life isn't always meant for perfection. Sometimes you lose some, you win some, and just roll with the punches. Yeah. Thank you for coming with me with making my own like mini pumpkin patch for like $50 on a budget. And it just shows like you can have your own little fun festive at your own house, and you don't always have to spend money to like go out and stuff like that. Because this was really cute and affordable. You could probably get more pumpkins if you're not on a budget and make it like reality. Next year, definitely want to have my own like real life pumpkin patch like I can pull from the ground. But until that, we'll chat later. Love you, smooches.